Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello students, good morning. Welcome to class 5th Maths chapter number 2 Operations on Large Numbers session 7. In previous lecture we have done some sums of exercise 2.2. Now we will continue this exercise 2.2. Now we will start from question number 2. The sum of two numbers is 8 crore 93 lakh 43,650. If one number is 3 crore 45 lakh 25,980, find the other number. इसमें हमें क्या बोला गया है? The sum of two numbers, यानी कि एडिशन. सम मतलब एडिशन. दो नंबर्स का एडिशन कितना है? 8 crore 93 lakh 43,650. फिर if one number is 3 crore 45 lakh 25,980, उन दो नंबर्स में से एक नंबर जो है वो ये है. क्या है? 3 crore 45 lakh 25,980. फाइंड द अदर नंबर. हमें जो दूसरा नंबर है वो हमें फाइंड करना है. तो हम लोग पहले बना लेते हैं. देखिए, सपोज करेंगे हम लोग के पास दो नंबर है और उसका एडिशन जो है वो क्या दिया गया है? 8 crore 93 lakh 43,650. ये हम लोग को दिया गया है. ठीक है. अब इसमें से एक नंबर हम लोग को फाइंड करना है और एक नंबर हमें दिया गया है ये. सो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? जब भी हम लोग को आंसर दिया गया हो और एक नंबर दिया गया हो तो हम लोग उसको साथ में लेके आते हैं. तो इसको पहले हम लोग लिख देंगे इधर 3 4 5 2 5 9 8 0. अब हम लोग के पास एक नंबर ये है, एक नंबर फाइंड करना है हमें और हमें आंसर बताया गया है. तो ये वाला नंबर हम लोग इधर प्लस में है, उधर जाके हो जाएगा नेगेटिव यानी माइनस में. तो क्वेश्चन मार्क हम लोग का सेम इधर ही रहेगा और ये नंबर सेम का सेम 8 crore 93 lakh 43,650. अब ये जो नंबर है हम लोग का वो इधर आ जाएगा. मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस का हो जाएगा माइनस और दिस नंबर कम्स हियर 3 crore 45 lakh 25,980. तो अब हम लोग को इस सम में जब ये फाइंड करना है क्या करना होगा? इसको माइनस करना है इससे. ठीक है. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट द सब्ट्रैक्शन. यस, फर्स्ट वी राइट 8 crore 93 lakh 43,650, and from this we have to subtract 3 crore 45 lakh 25,980. So this is our sum. So we write sum of two numbers and this is our one number. So we write one number. Now we have to subtract it. So as we know, we have to subtract from rightmost. So in rightmost we have 0, subtract 0. So it is 0. Next we have 5, subtract 8. So 5 is smaller than 8. So we borrow from another column. This becomes 5 and this becomes 15. Now 15 subtract 8 is 7. Next we have 5, subtract 9. So we borrow from here. This become 2, this become 15. Next 15 minus 9, so it is 6. Next we have 2 subtract 5. So same, we have to borrow from here. It becomes 3 and this becomes 12. So 12 subtract 5 is 7. Next we have 3 subtract 2. So we will get 1. Next we have 3 subtract 5. So again we have to borrow. This becomes 8 and this becomes 13. Now 13 subtract 5 is 8. Next we have 8 subtract 4. So we will get 4. Next we have 8 subtract 3. So we will get 5. So the number we will get is 5 crore 48 lakh 17,670, and it is a second number, second or other number. So we will write a statement. So the other number is, what we will get, 5 crore 48 lakh 17,670. Okay. Now question number 3, fill in the missing boxes. हमें क्या करना है, इस नंबर में जो बॉक्सेस दिए गए हैं उसको फिल करना है. तो we see that we have number 8, 9, blank, 5, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8. Subtract box 8, 9, 3, 1, box 8, 7, 4. Next we have 2, box 8, 2, 2, 6, 8, box 4. So in this we have to fill up boxes and do subtraction. Okay, so in subtraction we have to start from rightmost. In rightmost we have 8 subtract 4, so we will write 4. Next we have 6 subtract 7, so 6 is smaller than 7, so we borrow from here. This becomes 6 and this becomes 16. Now 16. Now 16 subtract 7 is 9. Next we have 6 subtract 8. So 6 is smaller than 8, so we borrow from another column. This becomes 4 and this becomes 16. Now 16 subtract 8 is 8. Okay. Next column we have 4, box and 6. So which number we have to subtract to get 6 from 4? So we have to know that 6 is greater than 4. So we have to borrow from another column. This becomes 3 and this becomes 14. Now 14 subtract box, it gives 6. Which is the number? It is 8. When we subtract 8 from 14, we will get 6. Next we have 3 subtract 1, it is 2. Next we have 5 subtract 3, it is 2. Next we have box subtract 9 gives 8. So which number we have to subtract to get 8? So 9 is greater than 8. So we have to add 8 to 9. So we will get 17. Now in box we write 7 and from borrow here. Next we have 17 subtract 8 is 8. Next we have 8 subtract 8. So we will get 0. Next we have 8 subtract box gives 2. So we will write 6. 8 subtract 6 gives 2. So this way we have to fill up the boxes from this given sum. Okay. Now B, we have 6 box 8 3 box 2 subtract 5 7 3 2 8 box. We will get box 8 5 box 6 1. So in this we have to subtract this number from this, so we will get this number. So we have to start from rightmost. So let's start from rightmost. in rightmost we have 2 box 1. So what will we subtract from 2 to get 1? We subtract 1. हम दो 2 में से 1 subtract करेंगे तो 1 मिलेगा. Next we have box subtract 8 gives 6. So 8 is greater than 6. So we will add 8 and 6. So we will get 14. And this box contains 4. So this borrow from here, it becomes 2. So 14 subtract 8 is 6. Next we have 2 subtract 2. So 2 subtract 2 is 0. Next we have 8 subtract 3. So 8 subtract 3 is 5. Next we have box subtract 7. We get 8. So in this we have to add 7 and 8 to get this box number. So 7 plus 8 is 15, and in this box we have to write 5. And when we write here, we have to borrow from another column. So this become 5 and this become 15 of 5. Next we have 5 subtract 5. So we will know it is 0. So in this way we have to fill up the boxes, and I think you have to know about fill in the boxes. Thank you.